Did you know your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days? It's actually a life-saving process. Your stomach produces powerful acids that help break down food. These acids are so strong that, without protection, they could actually digest your stomach itself. To prevent this, your body constantly creates a thick layer of mucus that protects the stomach walls. Over time, this protective lining wears down due to the harsh acid environment. That's why your body replaces it again and again every few days by producing brand new stomach cells. This rapid renewal helps keep your digestive system healthy and functioning properly, even when you eat spicy, acidic, or heavy foods. So while you're enjoying your next meal, remember this: your stomach is quietly rebuilding itself non-stop, protecting you from your own digestive power. Did you know your brain burns about 20% of your body's energy, and it makes up only about 2% of your body weight? When your brain is working non-stop, controlling your thoughts, memories, breathing, and movement, all of that activity requires a huge amount of fuel. Your brain mainly runs on glucose, which comes from the food you eat. So if you haven't eaten enough, you might feel tired or having headache. Your brain is literally running low on energy. When you're resting or sleeping, your brain is still busy repairing cells and processing memories. It never truly shuts off. So when you feel mentally exhausted, remember, it's not just in your head. Your brain is one of the hardest working organs in your entire body. Did you know you shed about 30,000 skin cells every single minute? Your body is constantly renewing itself. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, and its main job is to protect you from bacteria, injury, and the environment. To stay healthy, old and damaged skin cells on the surface are continuously replaced by new ones forming underneath. As these old cells fall off, new cells rise to the top, creating fresh skin. In fact, most of the dust in your home is made up of tiny pieces of shed. Surprising, right? Over the course of a month, you'll completely replace your outer layer of skin. This process helps heal wounds, maintain moisture, and keep your skin strong. You're literally renewing yourself every minute of the day. Did you know you breathe about 20,000 times every single day? And you don't even notice it happening. Breathing is one of the few things your body does automatically and constantly. With every breath in, oxygen enters your lungs and travels into your bloodstream. That oxygen fuels your muscles, organs, and especially your brain. With every breath out, your body removes carbon dioxide, a waste gas your body doesn't need. What's amazing is that your brain controls your breathing without you having to think about it, even while you're sleeping. But the moment you start exercising, laughing, or feeling stressed, your breathing instantly adjusts to match your body's needs, and you don't even notice it happening.
Did you know you're actually taller in the morning than at night? Throughout the day, gravity slowly compresses your spine as you stand, walk, and sit. The soft discs between the bones in your spine get slightly squished, making you a little shorter by the evening. When you lie down to sleep, gravity stops pulling on your spine. Those discs rehydrate and expand again, allowing your spine to stretch back to its full length. You're usually at your tallest right after you wake up. The difference is usually about 1 to 2 centimeters. Astronauts even grow taller in space because there's no gravity compressing their spines. If you want to check your true height, measure it in the morning. Subscribe for more amazing facts like this.